it's Miss Stephanie with University City Public Library, and I'm here to bring you a Mother Goose story time. If you're ready for a story, take a seat. If you're ready for a story, take a seat. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Make your hands all nice and neat. If you're ready for a story, take a seat. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? Have you ever been tired and then all of a sudden you have to yawn? We sometimes yawn when we're tired. Well, today's book is called Everyone is Yawning. This book is by Anita Bistersposh, and it's published by Clavis Publishing. Everyone is yawning. The kitten is tired. Can you see? Look, the kitten is yawning. The snake is yawning too. Look at that funny tongue he has. What a funny tongue. Is the raccoon tired? Oh yes. Look, the raccoon is yawning. The bunny is yawning very quietly. Look at those funny teeth. The piggy is yawning noisily. It grunts a bit. The piggy is very tired. The crocodile shows all its teeth when it yawns. And there's lots of teeth there. And the hippo yawns too. 3 times. The hippo yawns. Off to bed now, Arctic fox. Can you see the Arctic fox yawning? The turtle yawns very slowly. The little turtle is ready for bed. Off to bed. And the little child? Is the little child going to bed too? Oh yes. One more yawn and off to sleep. Everyone is sleeping. The piggy, the little child, the raccoon, the hippopotamus, the cat, the bunny, the Arctic fox, and even the crocodile. And that's the end of Everyone is Yawning. Well, I hope you enjoyed our story today, and it's time to say goodbye. If you're happy and you know it, wave goodbye. If you're happy and you know it, wave goodbye. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, wave goodbye. Bye-bye.